Hello everyone, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we already finished in the FORD FALCON. It belongs to the BF generation, and this one is 2003 model, and this one is the one in the video that we previously introduced, that the ICC system was faulty and the car couldn't turn on the head unit or the center control section, and the owner couldn't use any function from the steering, from the radio, or especially the air conditioner from the car was totally useless, not functioning. That's the main concern and main reason that the customer driving a distance to our workshop in Sydney. So we already finished the job, we already tested out everything, and we already finished the installation of the full setup of the premium package, 7-inch wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto in the premium package, and including the Full HD anti-glare, shockproof, waterproof, super wide angle, and super night vision reverse camera. That's a pretty fancy name, but actually it is, because the camera is the very best one in terms of the resolution and the function, and we fit the camera right here behind the car at this location, because the car has the sliding compartment over here, so we cannot fit anywhere over there, and we fit it right here. Okay, and the camera is metal case, shockproof, waterproof, 100%. It's very heavy duty. So look at this one. On the screen it is fully fit, everything in the center console section, and it looks beautiful. The menu button here is for the air vent, for the air conditioner control. It's all functioning nicely. You have the button here to increase and decrease the temperature. You have button here to change the air in and out of the car. You have the auto doesn't work in this car because it requires a dual zone setup. Now this one is fan increase, fan decrease. This one show the trip computer information, full information. This one show the on and off the AC. This one is changing the mode of the air flow. This one to change the air up and down temperature. This one changing the mode of the air. The menu button, lock and unlock the door, you can hear that. This one is turn on and off the button from the cabin. Okay, so this one is to turn and on and off the cabin light. All works well. Yeah, so basically the system beautifully turned, and when you turn the headlights on, and the keys on, you can see the lights all on, and the head unit turn on in the night mode. So that's something about the way that the system interact with the car. Yep, and to get access into the system here, simply you can see it is wireless Android Auto on the screen. So very easy, very quick to connect and show up the phone, and you can make phone call, listen to music, everything over here. GPS as well, of course. Steering wheel control works very nice, and this car doesn't have the answer phone button, so we actually assign this SIG button here into the answer the phone call. So if the phone call is coming now, the driver and the owner of this car can answer the phone via this button. Easy and convenient. Also, he can touch the screen to answer the phone. And when the air conditioner control is on, you can actually touch the screen to you see, we restart, and the Android Auto quickly jump in. So for example, if the owner want to use the air conditioner control, then we can actually use like this. You see, now we operate it, and you can see it decrease and increase the air conditioner control speed over here, and AC on and now AC off. See that? And the cabin light, cabin air in, out, and the air temperature changing which is here, and it's going higher and hotter. Okay, it's hotter, and now it's going cooler. We want it cooler, and you can change the mode of the air over here, and it change where the air coming out. Okay, you have the same over here as well. You can change it. Same here. You can turn it, hit for the screen, for the windscreen. Yep. So that's about how it is working with the air conditioner control system. Very simple and easy. And if in case the owner doesn't want to see this one, he actually can simply just keep controlling the button on the panel, okay, and doesn't need to use the other one. So yep, that's about and we actually can easily come back to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto screen easy. So yep, that's about our system, and you can see now the reverse camera. It quickly turns reverse in, and super sharp, super detailed. You can see the details behind, and quickly we turn back and come back to the phone screen, and we reverse again. All good. All right. So now it's ready, and yeah, we will let it be collected by the owner, and yeah, he will be very happy to come home soon, which is about a few hours driving from Sydney back home. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to click subscribe if you liked our videos, so that will help us to make more and more videos like this for you.